It is my great pleasure to extend our heartfelt welcome to you as we begin a new academic year at the College of Education. Our college is more than just a place of learning. It is a vibrant community where we come together to support, inspire, and challenge one another. The department is offering 8 programs such as Bachelor of Early Childhood Education, Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Physical Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education majors in Math, Science, English, Filipino, and Social Studies. Our mission is to cultivate educators who are not only knowledgeable but also compassionate and innovative. The College of Education promises to be one of exploration and growth. Our dedicated faculty is committed to providing a rich and engaging learning experience that challenges and inspires. To our new students, embrace the new chapter with an open mind and a positive attitude. Take risks, explore new interests, and strive to be the best version of yourselves. We are excited to see the incredible things you will accomplish here, and I wish you all success in the future.